Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to delete a template in ClickUp. So first step you will have to do is to go right here in your workspace name, so click on it and this will drop down this menu. Now in this menu you will have to select the templates button right here, so click on it. This will load up this window where you can select the template that you want to delete. So let's say I want to delete the template 1 like this, so click on it and then simply click 3 dots next to the template name like so and click on delete button right here. Click delete and then confirm by clicking this red button delete like so, and your template is deleted. It is really simple. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.